Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which have completely and fully leaked, and we have a hands-on look at this product thanks to a Redditor who claims to have bought this at a very high price tag. Now, I do think that the Buds 3 Pro are going to be fantastic with some major improvements both to form and function. Now, as you may or may not know, the Buds 3 Pro will look a lot like the AirPods Pro by Apple, which is something I personally prefer since I believe the design allows for easier insertion and extraction from the ears. And because of the stem design, the microphone will be pointed towards the mouth, making outgoing voice/call quality better in the process. But do drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the design. It looks like some people are gonna love it, some people are gonna hate it, and some people may just not care. Now, the Redditor that leaked these products also claims that the noise cancellation is on par with the AirPods Pro. So let's dive in and get some more details about the Buds 3 Pro. Now, before we dive in, here's some fantastic news. On July the 10th, Samsung will release powerful new products, including the Watch 7 Ultra, the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and the Fold 6. So for that, Samsung is currently giving away $50 in Samsung credit and a chance to win a mind-blowing $5,000. And all you have to do is give your name and email. All this is going to be free, and this is a no commitment offer, so there's no obligation to buy anything. So click the link down below to reveal this mind-blowing offer and enter for a chance to win $5,000. Here's all you have to do. So once you click the link, you're going to be at this website, and all you want to do is you want to scroll down, put your first name, put your last name, and put your email. And then you can click reserve now. But be very careful. If you want to enter the $5,000 giveaway, you also want to check this box right here and answer these two questions. Once you answer those questions, you can tap on reserve now and you are good to go. Let's move on. We already saw the press images that were leaked by Evan Blass before, so we kind of knew what it looks like, but these are real hands-on images of the product. It is even being paired to a Galaxy Flip 4 smartphone, as you can see. This appears to be the silver color. Remember, there's also going to be a white color, but you can observe the matte finish, which is great. No shine, no fingerprints. Also, with the design, I am loving the transparent top, which certainly differentiates these from any other product. Also, from previous leaks, we do expect the Buds 3 Pro to have the same charging speed as the Buds 2 Pro. The bottom of the case states 4.5 watts charging speed for the cradle, which is just like the Buds 2 Pro. However, according to another leak, the Buds 3 Pro battery life is supposedly 30 plus hours compared to 20 plus hours on the Buds 2 Pro. So same charging speed, but longer battery life, which is great. We also know that the sound quality and the call quality will be improved. And this, I think, is thanks to the new design language, which will create extra room for upgraded components as opposed to the smaller Buds 2 Pro. So great leak, and that's about it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of the design and other stuff down below. Love it or hate it, and don't forget to use the link down below to reserve your next Galaxy product, and that is going to enter you for a chance to win $5,000 in Samsung credit and also get $50 Samsung credit during the pre-order phase. Questions, comments? Drop them down below as well.